Education is a fundamental human right. It has a powerful impact on the possibilities that children have to determine and enhance their futures. In fact, education for all is one of the Millennium Development Goals established by the United Nations to eliminate poverty around the world. And, in order for governments to achieve this goal, single-teacher schools were created. Single-teacher schools are those whose main characteristic is that a single teacher has to work simultaneously with all kids of all years of basic education, whose ages vary from 6 to 14 years. These schools exist in all countries. For example, in Australia, 17% of all public schools work this way. In Portugal, 26%. In Bolivia, 46%. In China, almost half of all schools have a single teacher. And in Ecuador, 36.43%. Both students and teachers who work in single-teacher schools face tremendous problems. To improve the quality of education in every school, but especially in single-teacher schools, we have designed a solution called TeachNect. Its main characteristic is that it provides both the advantages of educative applications on a desktop PC, plus the interactivity that only the Kinect sensor can provide, and the access to a market especially dedicated to the distribution of educational applications so that they are ready for the global educational community. So, basically, TeachNect is a platform with two main components: a module for managing educative applications, which was developed using the official Microsoft Kinect SDK, Windows Presentation Foundation API for designing user interfaces, Microsoft SQL Server 2008 for storing data about students, and the C# programming language for putting all these together. The second component is a marketplace for getting even more applications, which will be embedded on the Xbox Live market. The whole system was designed using Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. When you open the application, the first thing you see is the welcome screen. Right after that, you see TeachNect's main screen, where you can find My Apps, Market, and Exit. Let's go through My Apps option. Here we can find already installed applications. When you enter here, you have to choose the course you want to work with, say 4th course, and then the subject. Let's try Math. Now, you can see the already installed application and the spaces that will be occupied by new apps as you buy them. Once you choose an app, you'll see names and photos of all kids of the selected course, and once you choose a kid, the game will start. Through the whole application, you'll find a back button that will take you to the immediately previous screen and a home button that will take you to the main screen right away. Now let's try the market option. Once you enter, you'll see something similar to the screen you saw in My App section, where you choose the course, then the subject, and right after that, the app you want to buy. If you choose, for example, the solar system application, you'll see the confirmation dialog displaying the name of the application, its price, and the buy and cancel buttons. Now, we see the app has a check, which means that it has already been bought. Now, let's go back to the main screen, choose My Apps again, 4th grade, Geography, and now we can see the application is already installed. Right now, our team has designed two applications. The math game allows kids to practice the 4 basic operations while playing using their whole body, thanks to the Kinect sensor. And the Geography application allows teachers to work with the solar system in a more interactive way, offering audiovisual material for making the class more enjoyable. Embedding TeachNect Marketplace into the Xbox Live market will allow us to skip several architecture problems related to the design of the market, so we can focus on establishing quality parameters that should be compulsory for every uploaded application. These parameters are stability, reliability, ease of use, and a clear educational goal. If an application matches these parameters, then it will be added to our marketplace. For using TeachNect, all that's needed is a regular desktop computer running the Microsoft Windows operating system with a Kinect sensor plugged in for data input. And for the best gaming experience, an overhead projector is recommended. If access to the market is required, an internet connection will be needed. It's amazing to see how well kids and teachers reacted to our solution. We tested the system on 2 different schools, and this is what teachers and students say about TeachNect.
Muy interesante, está muy chévere ese proyecto, me gustó, los niños se divirtieron y ponen en práctica, les ayuda a reforzar lo que se hace en el aula. Si ellos tuvieran esto en su casa, tuviéramos aquí para ocupar en nuestras aulas, sería ideal. Ya les vio a los niños cómo se emocionan. Aquí, aparte de eso, toca desarrollar varias destrezas, varias herramientas que nosotros necesitamos, como por ejemplo desarrollar valores en ellos, de disciplina, de orden, y aprendan a respetar el turno. Y a qué niño no le gusta jugar, ¿no? A todos los niños les gusta jugar. Me parece interesante, es muy bueno. Los niños aprenden dibujando, jugando, haciendo ellos su propio conocimiento.
Ahorita, por ejemplo, esta computadora sería de mucha utilidad, por cuanto se les dejaría a los niños ya con la computadora mientras la maestra o el maestro va a impartir la clase. Entonces yo pienso que adelantaríamos el trabajo o reforzaríamos.
Yo pienso que se puede aplicar en todas las instituciones y mucho más en una escuela completa, donde el maestro está en un solo grado. A lo mejor también sería conveniente cuando ya ellos saben cómo manejar, dejar a un niño que sea el líder para que puedan ir ellos practicando mientras la maestra va y da una tarea con los niños de segundo de básica. Y aparte de eso, esto se puede aplicar a partir desde el tercero de básica.
TeachNect's advantages for improving the quality of education in single-teacher schools are very clear. And as for developers, they are already designing educational applications using the Kinect sensor. They'll be easy to find for teachers around the world.
Estaba muy bonito porque el mouse es difícil de mover y todo eso, de que aplastemos, pero nuestro cuerpo es más fácil de mover.
Sí, pues esto sirve para desarrollar la motricidad de los niños y para que aprendamos más y más. Este programa es bien lindo, no utilice mouse, me muevo con mi propio cuerpo, cabeza, manos, pies, cadera y lo quisiera tener aquí para aprender más con mis compañeros y jugar con mis compañeros.
Es ideal que todos los jóvenes se dediquen a crear este tipo de proyectos. Sería beneficioso para todo tipo, nivel social, tanto para las escuelas urbano marginales, unidocentes, como aquellas escuelas también de élite, porque este producto, si algún momento saldría a mercado, los padres podrían adquirir y tener en su casa para que juntos con sus padres puedan poner en práctica los conocimientos que en la escuela reciben.